Miðjum ekki, tvennar, risastórar hendur. Þeir eru hér til að stjórna okkur, til að taka sálir okkar. Eins okkur dúkkulistamenn, þeir draga þræði. En ég undrast hverju stjórna þeir okkur og ekki lífi sínu. Puppet masters who love to pull our strings, but they never want to change themselves. Why do you always have to try to make us change? You should try to find some sense in your own life. Puppet masters who love to pull our strings, but they never want to change themselves. Why do you always have to try to make us change? You should try to find some sense in your own life. Your art is precious, just change everything you do. Why do you always take so serious, don't you ever smile? If your voice were sincere, I'd appreciate you more. Let me just guard your wings and then you can try to fly.
Come here everyone, come here! Look at my beautiful puppets! Aren't they so pretty? Yes, I know they are. What do? Well, everything I tell them to. That's why they are my very own puppets. I am the only one who controls their lives at my will. Why do I do it? Because why not? Thank you. Very glad you like them. You would be surprised to find out how easy it is to control other people's lives instead of your own. But anyways, I think we should continue with the song. Yeah, that's what we should do. You know what to do. Bring it back, question mark!
Puppet masters who love to pull our strings, but they never want to change themselves. Why do you always have to try to make us change? You should try to find some sense in your own life. Þú meistara sem að draga úr. Þræðum okkar þeir vilja æða sjálfum sér. Hverju þú hafðir að reyna láta okkur veisur. Þú til að reyna finna merking þínu eigin lífi. Puppet masters who love to pull our strings, but they never want to change themselves. Why do you always have to try to make us change? You should try to find some sense in your own life. Puppet masters who pull our strings.